Polymorphism in Python. Polymorphism in Python. Understand the concept of polymorphism. Learn how polymorphism is used in Python. See examples of function and class polymorphism. Recognize the benefits of using polymorphism in programming. Let's explore polymorphism together. Polymorphism means many forms. In Python, the same function name can work differently. Example: think of a person with different roles. Reminder: the name or action can stay the same. The same function name can accept different data types. Example: adding numbers and joining strings. Keep in mind, the function behaves based on input. Different classes can have the same method name. Example: a dog class and a cat class both have a sound method. Note: outputs change based on the class. Now let's see a real-life example. This single person can switch roles. Think: each role is different, but the person is the same. Remember, this is how polymorphism works. Polymorphism allows the same function to work in different ways. It helps in code reusability. Polymorphism makes programs easier to manage. Thank you for watching. Practice using polymorphism in your Python programs. Thank you for learning about polymorphism.